Hello, welcome to another class on reading comprehension for CUET aspirants. Today we'll be doing factual passage 2. My name is Ridhi Chugh. You can check out the description to know more about me. This is the factual passage that we have. But before we read the factual passage, like always, we will read the questions first. Which of the following is not a primary source of renewable energy mentioned in the passage? Solar, nuclear, wind, hydro. What technology is used to harness solar energy as described in the passage? Turbines, photovoltaic cells, geothermal vents, biomass combustion. According to the passage, what is the key driver for the shift towards renewable energy? Increased cost of fossil fuels, the need to mitigate climate change, decreased demand for electricity, abundance of fossil fuel resources. What is a challenge associated with renewable energy as mentioned in the passage? High initial investment costs, intermittency, lack of government support, limited technological advancements. What is the meaning of the word intermittency as used in the passage? The consistent and reliable supply of energy, the variable and sometimes unreliable supply of energy, the process of integrating different energy sources, the cost of producing renewable energy. Now we move back to the passage. The rise of renewable energy. The global energy landscape is undergoing significant transformation. इस बात का क्या मतलब है? ग्लोबल मतलब वर्ल्ड वाइड, एनर्जी इज ऊर्जा, लैंडस्केप इज द एंटायर डोमेन इज अंडरगोइंग सिग्निफिकेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. बहुत ही बदलाव नज़र आ रहा है, with renewable sources playing an increasingly vital role. और ये क्यों हो रहा है इतना बदलाव? क्योंकि रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेस एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. Renewable energy derived from naturally replenishing processes include solar, wind, hydro, geothermal and biomass. Quite easy to understand कि renewable energy कहाँ से derive होती है? Naturally रिप्लेनिशिंग मतलब रीफिलिंग प्रोसेसेस, जिनको और ये को क्या इंक्लूड करता है? सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, हाइड्रो एनर्जी, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी एंड बायोमास एनर्जी. सोलर एनर्जी हार्नेस्ड थ्रू फोटोवोल्टाइक सेल्स हैज सीन ए ड्रामेटिक डिक्रीज इन कॉस्ट. सोलर एनर्जी ने जो कि हार्नेस करी जाती है फोटोवोल्टाइक सेल्स के थ्रू ने देखा है कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक डिक्रीज हुआ है इन कॉस्ट, लीडिंग टू वाइड स्प्रेड अडॉप्शन, जिसकी वजह से वाइड स्प्रेड अडॉप्शन हुआ है. विंड एनर्जी यूटिलाइजिंग टर्बाइंस टू कन्वर्ट काइनेटिक एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज़ अनदर रैपिडली एक्सपेंडिंग सेक्टर. तो एक रैपिडली एक्सपेंडिंग सेक्टर कौन सा है? विंड एनर्जी का सेक्टर है, जो टर्बाइंस को यूटिलाइज करता है क्या करने में? काइनेटिक एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में बदलता है. और सोलर एनर्जी में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट क्या था? कि हार्नेस करी जाती है थ्रू फोटोवोल्टाइक सेल्स. हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर generated by water flowing through turbines remains a significant contributor to renewable energy production. Geothermal energy, tapping into the Earth's internal heat, provides a stable and consistent energy source. Biomass energy derived from organic materials offers a versatile option through sustainability concerns exist. अब ये पूरा जो 3 लाइनें हैं ये हमें क्या बता रहा है? कि जो हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर है वो जनरेट करी जाती है बाय वाटर फ्लोइंग थ्रू द टर्बाइंस, remains a significant contributor to renewable energy production. ये एक significant contributor है, ऑलरेडी है, और अभी भी ये बना रहेगा एज a significant contributor to renewable energy production. Geothermal energy, tapping into the earth's internal heat provides stable and consistent energy source. Biomass energy derived from organic materials, बायोमास एनर्जी जो कि ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल से डिराइव होती है, ऑफर्स ए वर्सेटाइल ऑप्शन, एक वर्सेटाइल ऑप्शन ऑफर करता है थ्रू सस्टेनेबिलिटी कंसर्न्स एग्जिस्ट, लेकिन जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी की कंसर्न्स हैं वो अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं कि ये एनर्जी, बायोमास एनर्जी क्रिएट करना, बनाना कितना सस्टेनेबल है ओवर द लॉन्ग टर्म, इस चीज़ को लेके कंसर्न्स हैं. The shift towards renewable energy is driven by several factors, including the need to mitigate climate change, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and enhance energy security. 3 मेन कारण उन्होंने बताए हैं कि शिफ्ट जो हो रहा है टूवर्ड्स रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी वो इज़ ड्रिवन बाय सेवरल फैक्टर्स, जिसमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है द नीड टू मिटिगेट क्लाइमेट चेंज. क्लाइमेट चेंज को आप कैसे कॉम्बैट करोगे? आप सिर्फ रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ करके ही कॉम्बैट कर सकते हो. रिड्यूस रिलायंस ऑन फॉसिल फ्यूल्स के ऊपर अपनी रिलायंस कम करना. एनहांस एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी, ये ऐसे इस तरह से सिक्योर एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना कि हर इंसान को, हर व्यक्ति को अर्थ के ऊपर एक उसकी जो एनर्जी कंजम्पशन है वो पूरी हो सके, दैट इतना सिक्योरिटी हमें क्रिएट करना है. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स एंड इंक्रीजिंग पब्लिक अवेयरनेस आर ऑल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग टू दिस ट्रांजिशन. तो कोई ट्रांजिशन जो हो रहा है फ्रॉम नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज टू रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज, वो 3 कारणों की वजह से हो रहा है. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ की वजह से, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स की वजह से, एंड इंक्रीजिंग पब्लिक अवेयरनेस की वजह से. वाइल चैलेंजेस सच एज इंटरमिटेंसी एंड ग्रिड इंटीग्रेशन रिमेन, जो चैलेंज हैं इंटरमिटेंसी के और ग्रिड इंटीग्रेशन के वो अभी भी हैं, लेकिन जो ओवरऑल हमारा ट्रेंड है, द ट्रेंड टूवर्ड्स अ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी फ्यूचर इज़ अनडिनाएबल. मतलब उसको हम बोल सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल कंप्लीटली सर्टेन है, इसको हम मना नहीं कर सकते कि ऐसा नहीं होगा आगे फ्यूचर में. एंड बिकॉज दिस पैसेज हैड at least some words which were a little slightly difficult, we have this section called vocabulary, which is important for people who want to improve their word meaning knowledge. So significant, important or notable, transformation, a major change, replenishing, refilling or restoring, turbines, rotating machines that generate power from fluid flow, sustainability, the ability to maintain or continue, mitigate, to lessen or reduce the severity of, reliance, dependence, transition, a change from one state to another, intermittency, irregular or non-continuous occurrence, undeniable, indisputable or certain. I'm going to remain on this sheet for about a few seconds. All of you can read the words and their meanings again. Okay, so now is the time to go and check the questions. Which of the following is not a primary source of renewable energy mentioned in the passage? Solar has been mentioned. Nuclear has not been mentioned. Wind has been mentioned. Hydro has been mentioned. So our answer should be B, nuclear. What technology is used to harness solar energy as described in the passage? Turbines was for wind energy and hydropower. Photovoltaic cells is for harnessing solar energy. So this is the correct answer. The other options that we have are geothermal vents and biomass combustion. So we have already chosen the right answer according to us. Let's move on to the next question. According to the passage, what is the key driver for shift towards renewable energy? Increase cost of fossil fuels, could be the need to mitigate climate change. This something like this was mentioned if we remember. Decreased demand for electricity. There was no mention of any decreased demand of electricity in the passage. Abundance of fossil fuel resources. No, we are not talking about fossil fuel resources in the passage. So two options have been eliminated. There are two options which remain. Of these two options, which one is the correct one? Let's go back to the passage and check. The shift towards renewable energy is driven by several factors, including the need to mitigate climate change, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and enhance energy security. So the answer is the need to mitigate climate change. Let's move on to the next question. What is a challenge associated with renewable energy as mentioned in the passage? High initial investment cost sounds like a challenge to me. Intermittency is definitely something like this mentioned in the passage. Lack of government support, nothing like that, because the government is actually quite supportive and it is leading to the greater adoption of renewable energy resources. Limited technological advancements, doubtful, we don't know. So let's go back and check between A, B, and D. What could be the answer? What is the challenge associated? Because we have already eliminated C now. So what is the challenge associated with renewable energy as mentioned in the passage? While challenges such as intermittency and grid integration remain, the trend towards renewable energy future is undeniable. So only two challenges have been mentioned: intermittency and grid integration. So we'll go back and we'll check the right answer according to us, which is B, intermittency. Last question. What is the meaning of the word intermittency as used in the passage? The consistent and reliable supply of energy. If the supply of energy was consistent and reliable, it wouldn't have been a challenge. So this is something that we can rule out. The variable and sometimes unreliable supply of energy. Yes, this could be the answer. The process of integrating different energy sources. No, there was no such process which was mentioned. We only know that grid integration was mentioned, but we do not know whether it referred to energy, the integration of different energy sources. The cost of producing renewable energy. No, this was something that was not the focus of the passage. So, what was left was the variable and sometimes unreliable supply of energy. Now let's look at the answer key and check what are the questions that we have got right and what are the questions that we might have got wrong. Nuclear, yes. Photovoltaic cells, yes. The need to mitigate climate change, yes. Intermittency was a challenge, yes. The variable and sometimes unreliable supply of energy, yes. If you like this video, then do subscribe to the channel. Watch, join our Telegram group. That's very, very, very important. I hope all CUT aspirants are currently, even though you're busy with boards right now, but I hope that you're taking out at least some time to prepare yourself for what is to happen in the next 2 months. And all the best to everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in.